is this? Is this even safe to be breathing in? And we figured out, we thought it was old car oil that had just kind of been flung around everywhere. So we walk around the corner to the bathroom, and I couldn't even tell you what was dumped all over that sink. Something nasty left behind all types of purple and brown and red chunks and stains. I don't know what type of mystery substance. The shower completely covered in more oil. At this point, I'm trying to remember if one of those papers on the front door said biohazard, because I'm starting to breathe heavily. The air is getting kind of thick by now from all the oil in the air. I can't believe it. I'm at a house tour having to do manual breathing. The vapors got my eyes stinging. So we leave that room. We go to check out the bedroom across the hall. I reach my hand out to open it. There wasn't even a handle on the door or a latch in the door frame. I just tapped it open with one finger. I'm like, you know what? Y'all got it. I'm not even gonna bother. Let me go see what's on the other side of this catastrophe. So we walk back down the hallway where the rice starts piling up again, and we run into Ricky on our way to the front. He goes, yeah, I noticed they don't have a dryer out back, only a washer. I was like, bruh, is that even a top 100 issue on the list right now? Jesse from around the corner was like, nah, you guys gotta look inside the fridge. And the fridge hadn't even crossed my mind yet. I definitely had to see that. I was like, no, you guys gotta look inside the master bedroom. That is absolutely a can't miss room. So I make my way to the kitchen. I'm trying not to slip on rice. And at this point, it's just curiosity with what we're gonna find next with this house. So we get into the kitchen. The sink, they had a Jenga stack of dirty dishes. There's half-finished lunch over here, half-finished dinner over there. And then I walk over to the fridge, open it up, and on the inside, the whole thing was red. Hey, I'm hoping it was juice. I mean, it was definitely juice, but this house did make me think twice. It looked like somebody detonated a bottle of Hawaiian Punch in there. The whole thing smelled disgusting. There were a few other random miscellaneous food items and Tupperware left over in there rotting. And on the bottom shelf was a huge crystallized slab of whatever red liquid had just dripped down and now hardened into a giant solid mass at the bottom of this fridge. So right about now, I'm remembering on the drive over here when she had said, oh yeah, just use your imagination to picture how it would be. Bro, you better get the whole Disney Imagineering team over here because, my bad, I'm having a hard time forming a clear mental picture. And the craziest part about it was the tour lady was acting like this was normal. She was just going about business as usual. She's talking about, yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed the spacious hallway bathroom. I think that's a good fit for you guys since there's 4 of you. I'm like, what, is this just another Tuesday afternoon for you? Hey, we should have listened to Carman all the way back in the beginning. And after going through this musty, crusty tour, I could only imagine the things that he had to deal with. I mean, this rental company, they didn't even try. What did they think? They were going to bring someone through, and the reaction was going to be, yeah, give me a pen to sign the lease right now. Yeah, so much for a hidden gem. Yeah, that was a hidden gem that needs to stay.
Man, that's crazy.
And I could continue to go on about this crime scene of a house, but we'd be here for 30 minutes, and I gotta move on to the other additional tragic situations that we would go on to find ourselves in. Because that house...
Y'all already know if y'all want to see part 2, get the likes up. We'll hit it back. Leave it in the comments. Shouts out to Higher Desert Exotic. They got something coming up today. Y'all need to go check them out.
Yeah. So like Fox Farms though, like I noticed so if you're going to plant in some Fox
You guys want to beat out the
Farms ocean
beat?
forest, per se, you plant a plant in there and you veg it out for like 2 months and you get that plant monstrous and you're ready to flip it into flower. Now you have to add amendments to there because there's nothing left in it.
Okay, back up just a little bit. When you say you planted it for a couple months and it took off monstrous, do you know what's in that makes that plant grow?
Synthetic salts.
It's pretty much what it is, but it's ammonium nitrate. So they spray this ammonium nitrate on sawdust, and that ammonium nitrate is like acid on a fucking slug. So think of the organic and biology that's in there. It's killing. They put that on there. You can